honey locust falafel. Cheers. Tastes like falafel. It's delicious. I don't notice any throat irritation. It stays together super well. It tastes great. It's got great texture. It looks like falafel. It tastes like falafel. I would have no idea it's honey locust beans. This could be chickpeas for all I know. I am really impressed. It fried up super nice. Everything kept together super well. Like, it was super sticky. Those pucks weren't falling apart. These are great. It tastes just like falafel. And on Fridays, I sell falafel at the local co-op. So this is the same recipe, just with honey locust beans instead of chickpeas. And it tastes really good. There's not really any distinctive flavor notes of the honey locust beans themselves. It just tastes very savory from all the different seasonings. Yeah, I think this was a huge win. I can recommend honey locust falafel. Thank you for watching. Luigi approved. Happy trails.
Hey, all right, we got it here. You got some ketchup, some hot sauce. Let me try it without the hot sauce first. Very chewy. The texture is a little different than falafel I'm used to. A little more grainy or like textured, it seems. All right, let's try it with the hot sauce. Ooh, pretty good. All right, happy trails.